Namaste, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a different video where I'm sharing an unboxing. I'll be showing the 2021 Alicia Souza Planner Bundle. I bought the trio which consists of the desk calendar, wall calendar and the planner. Let me show you the wall calendar first. So the theme for 2021 is celebrations and happy days. For each month, Alicia has illustrated the festival or celebration of the month. For example, we celebrate Pongal in Jan. The illustrations are pretty with glitter texture. She has done adequate research on the festival and we can see that in the detailing. May we have Mother's Day and in June we have Father's Day. There is a sheet full of stickers as well. These are mostly doodles. In June we have Eid, Onam in August, and so on and so forth. Super adorable. That's December, and that's it. Coming to the desk calendar, it is little happy notes and send quotes. We also have a note section this time, which would be pretty useful to jot down important events or even a to-do list for the month. There are tabs also given each month. Again, such fun illustrations and quotes. She also has marked some amusing days like Cuddle Day and so on. Here there are many more sticker sheets available. And these are mostly functional stickers like bill payments or car servicing, laundry, etc. Now doodle stickers are also available here. And here's a flip through of the rest of the months. This is going to be a great addition to your table for sure. Now next up is the Ultimate Planner. It comes in this sturdy, colorful box. And this is my third year of buying Alicia Souza planners because I love what she has to offer. Now in the box we have a mini planner. It is monthly spreads and so you can use it along with the main planner. You can carry this easily in your handbag and I believe that's the purpose of this little planner. Next we have a note from Alicia. Now this is a butter paper so as to protect the planner I guess, and then the main planner. The previous planners had pastel colors and they were glossy in texture. This is different and actually I kind of like it. It is more coarse, there is a grainy glittery feel to it. And this elastic band is an addition from previous year and it can be used to secure the planner tightly. The planner is hardback with spiral binding. Now the first page has a space to write your name, stick a photograph or even doodle your face. Next page has the personal data and information. Then you have the 2021 and 2022 calendar at a glance. Now this page is great where we can write down interesting ideas. Now there are 12 sticker sheets in this planner as well. And the sticker addict in me is really happy. We have doodles, functional stickers, and even mini washi tape kind of stickers, which is actually pretty amazing. Look at that. Now this is my favorite part of a planner, which is to write a letter to yourself. So every 1st of Jan I write a letter to myself, tear it off, fold it like an envelope and put it in the back pocket of this planner. It is exciting to read it after a year to know how your dreams and goals and hopes have come true. Next is a dedicated section for budget planning. And now in this space you can jot down the things in life you want to declutter. I'll have to figure out the top 6 things that I want out of my life. Next is the goals section. We also have the steps and the dates to set so as to achieve the goal. And that is essential so as to have time-bound goals. Next comes a monthly planning section. Each month is divided with a little illustration and quote. It's glossy and glittery. There are also tabs for each month, which is a huge plus. The first page has sections for birthdays, goals, events, and also to-do list. Then you have a monthly habit tracker. You also have a period tracker. Now here's a section for monthly meal plan. I like this notebook kind of page for writing down shopping list and cleaning duties. It somehow reminds me of school days writing in a ruled notebook. Now here's a monthly spread. Then you have a horizontal layout for weekly or daily planning. There is a dotted page in the end, and that's it. The same format goes for all the months. That's for March, April, May, June, and so on. Now towards the end, we have a section for highlights of the year, where you can jot down or even stick some photographs. There's a space for books and movies as well, and more pages for notes. There are 2 bookmarks. One is with just the ribbon, and this one says relax and enjoy. There's a pocket where you can store notes or bills, and that's the elastic band and a pen loop. Now let me show you the freebies I received along with the bundle. Now here are 2 pretty art prints. You can even place this in a frame and hang it on your wall. I think that's what I'm going to do. Then you have a cute keychain which says everything's gonna be alright. We do need such affirmations during these difficult times. Here's a fridge magnet which says home sweet home. These are 2 bookmarks. I like the translucent kind of texture to it. It's so pretty. Then we have a notebook with ruled pages. A hardbound book again. It has ruled pages. It has also got a pocket, an elastic band, and a pen loop. And this is the book of stickers. I'll show you a flip through now. I love that coffee sticker a lot. I'm super excited to open this one, and I guess that's a candle. It's so pleasing to look at that it melts my heart. It smells amazing as well. Now this is a tote bag with a sweet unicorn illustration. It's so pretty and wonderful. The trio bundle was for 3,300 rupees. Yes, it is expensive, But if you're looking for a functional as well as cute and enduring planner, then this one's for you. It can be used for content creation as well as home organization and planning. So if you have been looking for a planner, I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to see more such content, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye-bye.